Hello folks. Today, we will not only help you navigate the crypto basics, but also share exciting news. Hot Wallet now supports TON, which means that you can send TON and Jettons, trade on TON network at the best rates, import accounts from other TON wallets, and connect Hot Wallet to D apps. In this video, we'll explain why it is a big deal for HOT users and how is TON making waves in the Web3 universe with its game-changing opportunities. Stick around and you'll get all the answers. Shh, HOT. So, what exactly is TON? Its name stands for the Open Network. It's a next-gen blockchain designed to be super fast, secure, and scalable. Imagine a blockchain that can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second without breaking a sweat. That's TON. You might be thinking, okay, but how can I use TON? Good question. TON isn't just for tech geeks or crypto experts. It's for everyone. Whether you want to send payments across the globe in seconds, create smart contracts, or even build decentralized apps, dApps, TON has got you covered. Let's talk features. First up, it's lightning fast and super efficient. We're talking seconds, not minutes. TON uses a technique called sharding, which means splitting the workload among many smaller chains. It's like having an army of ants working together instead of one giant slug. Also, TON is built to be user-friendly. It integrates seamlessly with Telegram. So, if you're already using Telegram, diving into TON is a piece of cake. Sending TON coins directly through chats is as easy as sending a text message. Now, let's take a look at some cool products built on TON. There are wallets for managing your assets, exchanges, and finance platforms, numerous games and services like proxy, browsing, and storage. And there will be much more as TON actively supports everyone willing to enhance the TON ecosystem with apps. Now, why choose TON over other blockchains? Here's the brutal truth. TON outpaces many blockchains in speed and efficiency. It's like comparing a sports car to a bicycle. Integration with Telegram makes it highly convenient. Since Telegram launched mini apps, TON has seen an explosion in popularity, attracting millions of new users. These mini apps are like bite-sized games and services that run right inside Telegram, making it easier than ever to access the power of TON. Take Notcoin, for example. It's a tap-to-earn game on Telegram where users can earn tokens by tapping on a virtual coin. Or your favorite HOT project, a new generation Telegram wallet. It allows you to store and exchange assets, mine, and earn HOT in missions, contests, and fun activities. To wrap it up, TON is a powerhouse blockchain that can revolutionize the way we interact with digital assets. From lightning-fast transactions to seamless integrations with popular apps, it's making the crypto world more accessible and efficient. So if you're looking to dive into the future of blockchain, TON might just be your ticket. And now, you can explore new activities with TON in your Hot Wallet app. Stay sharp and see you soon.